Are you looking for the best LED light ring boxes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED light ring boxes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, LamQee Engagement Ring Box. With this engagement ring box, you can create a romantic atmosphere, and you can give your lover a surprise by giving jewelry in this ring box. It has a high-grade ABS shell with piano painting that makes it have a glossy look. The box has a soft velvet interior with removable inserts that helps to protect your jewelry from scratches. It has a LED light that turns on automatically when you open the ring box lid, and it turns off when closed. LamQee Ring Box is a good option for wedding, engagement, birthdays, proposal, Christmas gift, or any other happy occasion. At number 4, Velvet Ring Box. This is a stylish ring box suitable for weddings, engagement, anniversary, birthday, and many more. The box has a unique design, where it lights up when you open and shuts off when closed, making it suitable for proposing in the dark. Furthermore, the direct illumination and spotlight effect on the diamond will give perfect sparkling effects. It is a lightweight and portable box you can carry anywhere, or fit it in your pocket. You will find an internal velvet that helps protect your ring from scratches and keep it fixed in place. It looks well on the outside, but well cushioned on the interior for ultimate protection. At number 3, Velvet Ring Box with LED Light. The Velvet Ring Box has a LED light which is bright, and it presents the beauty of your jewelry. It is designed to turn on automatically when the box is opened and turns off when it is closed to help save power. Besides, the inner core of the ring box is constructed of quality flannel that protects the jewelry from being scratched. The box is made of a paint process, which makes the surface smooth, and it has a metal frame that makes the box elegant. With its heart-shaped design, you will not need to express yourself, and it creates a romantic atmosphere that will increase the happiness of both of you. It is designed to organize earrings or ring, and it can be used for occasions like engagement, wedding, proposal, birthday, anniversary, Christmas, and many more events. At number 2, CHRUNONE Ring Box. CHRUNONE Ring Box has a light at the top that shines when you open the box, and it shines light on anything in the box. The travel case is lightweight, and the mini size makes it easy to carry, and it does not require much space for storage. It has a square design, and the quality diamond face makes the ring box look more elegant and unique. This box is made of quality ABS with a soft plush interior that offers good protection for your jewelry from any damage. In addition, it is a perfect choice for marriages, weddings, birthdays, engagements, Valentine's Day, etc. At number 1, Orita Proposal LED Light Ring Box. Orita LED Light Box has a bright LED blue light that illuminates your jewelry, and it will always give a stunning effect. The box is made of quality rubber that can withstand impacts, and it has a velvet interior finish that protects the ring from scratches and any kind of damage. You can use this ring box for an anniversary, propose, wedding, birthday, Christmas, and many more occasions. The mini-sized construction makes it simple to store or put it in your pocket, and the lightweight construction makes it simple to carry. Besides keeping a ring, it can be used as a beautiful collectible for your jewelry and small things. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.